Hi curlies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Silver Soul Child. I know. Hello to all my newbies and to all my old friends who've been rocking with me for a while. I'm sorry, life has been lifing, okay? I'm fine. I don't really need this, I don't think. I've got my phone attached to the mirror. I don't know how this is gonna work, so if it falls, it falls, okay? Well, we're gonna keep right on filming because it looks like it's about to fall. I don't know if this is gonna work. It's like I'm watching it and it's moving, like tilting. Maybe I'm supposed to wet the suction cup. I'm not sure. So I'm back with an unboxing and we have Curl Girl to thank for that. She's been using the edge control gel, I guess. She now has locks, by the way. She was telling me she got that from Basque and Lather. I had seen them on Instagram, but I had never, ordered from them or anything until I saw they had a growth system. Because we know I don't know what I'm doing with this. I can tell you I have had a shape up. I've been getting it shaped up as it's growing out because a part of me wants to grow it out and then a part of me wants a little frohawk thing going. I don't know what I want to do yet. So either way, I need healthy hair, that's for sure. And when you have gray hair, that's what you need. This thing is moving, guys. I'm so sorry. Hopefully it does not fall. So yeah, Basque and Lather, that's what's in this box. So let's get right down to it. I got the growth system. They had a little sale going on. This is my first time. Got to be dramatic. This is my first time ordering from them. So I'm just going to take everything out of this box and I'm going to tell you what I got. I got the growth kit and it was packaged really well. No leaks. I like that. Okay. Oh, and I'm very impressed with the little card. Thank you for shopping our spring sale. Ooh, scan to become a VIP and get 20% off your next order. Hello. Okay, let's get into it. So, come on, man. This is hilarious. Okay, I got the Basque and Lather Strengthen Shampoo. Basque and Lather Strengthen Shampoo. Deep clean, strengthens, and moisturize, sulfate free, 8 full ounce. I got that. I got the Replenish Conditioner, and I don't think this is a leave-in. Let's see. No, it's not. It's a rinse-out conditioner, and you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse out. And then after this conditioner, you use the hydrating mist. Detangling spray, protective style, and curl refresher, itchy scalp relief. Ooh. And I got the Stimulating Scalp and Hair Balm. I've heard nothing but good things about it. The Stimulating Scalp and Hair Balm was part of this kit. It nourishes your scalp and hair. Helps you to have a healthy scalp so that you can grow hair and retain length. I also got the hair elixir. It's a hair strengthening elixir. And, it has Jamaican black castor oil in it. Apricot kernel oil in it. Ooh, jojoba oil, lavender oil, and vitamin E. Ooh, sounds good to me. Yeah, the hair elixir, I got that. And last but not least, I got the Scalp Stimulator Hair Growth Oil. Now, I know you've seen this. And I'm going to say this. A lot of people say that products don't grow your hair. And you're absolutely right. It's the being consistent with it, being consistent with it, taking care of your hair, having clean hair, clean scalp, all that good stuff. So yeah, why did I order a hair growth kit if I'm going to keep my hair short? I don't know if I'm going to keep my hair short. I just know these past few weeks have been rough on me and it's easier to just jump in the shower, take a shower, wash my hair, boom, condition, deep condition, whatever I got to do, put the styler on it and go. Okay. And I sleep with a cap a cap on my hair. So when I pull it off, my hair is already molded. So yeah. But I have, since you last saw me, I have had a trim. I got my trim at Great Clips. I know what you're thinking. I know exactly what you're thinking. But there are some great hair stylists and hair cutters at Great Clips. There are. I've had 2 bad haircuts, but I won't blame it on them because I'm told with my description, every time I would come in for a trim, I would say, I want to get a haircut. So you got to go in with the mindset that I did the last time. I had a black stylist who explained it to me when I was at Great Clips. Always say, if you're getting a trim, just say, I want a trim and a shape up because I'm growing my hair out. And that way you won't be in that in-between stage. You know, that in-between stage we all hate? You won't have that look. So that's that. So that was my unboxing, and plus you got a chance to see me. And I hope you will stick around when I can learn how to keep this thing attached to the mirror. All right, curlies. I know you miss me saying that. Hey, curlies. I will see you in the next video. And if you're new here, yes, this is how I get down. This is in the closet. And now I'm getting ready to come out of the closet, okay? I will see you curlies in the next video. So I don't know when that'll be. So much to tell you about. I want to do one on hygiene, because I'm starting to use some different body washes. I've moved away from Dove a little bit, just a little bit. Well, if you saw the video a while back, I think I did one on Saltaire, but I'm also, stop it. I also have a Kindle. I got a Kindle. I haven't had one in years. And even though I have an iPad and you can get books on that, I wanted a Kindle, especially just for reading. Plus, it's so small, I can just stick it in my purse and take it to work and read at lunchtime and stuff like that. So anyway, we'll talk about that in the next video. I hope all is well with you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the messages, all the prayers, always looking out for your girl and checking on your girl. Your girl appreciates that so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye.